Hey everyone, my name's Nate. I am a product manager at Sphero, and I'm here today to show you the Bolt Plus Power Pack. Now, when you open up your Bolt Plus Power Pack, you're going to be met with 15 Bolt Plus robots and their charging cradles. There's an educator guide that's tucked away in the lid, and when you open up the accessory compartment, you will find protractors, turbo covers, challenge cards and stickers, maze tape, and then the power supply to power your Bolt Plus Power Pack. And on the lid of the accessory compartment, you'll see there's a QR code that will take you to Sphero Central. That is our hub for all of your resources for being able to get the most out of Bolt Plus. So when you first get your Power Pack, you need to get those robots charged up so they're ready for classroom use. Let's plug it in by using the barrel plug on the back side of the Power Pack. Once you plug it in, you will notice that lights start to begin to illuminate on the robots. There is a blue LED charging indicator to let you know that the robot is charging inside of its cradle. If you don't see that blue charging indicator, you're going to want to just resettle that robot in the cradle so that it turns on. That's how you know your robot is charging. There are a few other LED indicators that you'll notice as well. When you first put it in the cradle, you'll notice a ring of lights that turn on. Those ring of lights are also a visual indicator of the battery level of your robot. Now that you have your Bolt Plus robots charging, when you see that blue light indicator turn off and the cradle light turns purple, your robot is fully charged. Now at the end of the day, or when your robots are done charging, you can go ahead and unplug your Power Pack. The screen will turn on for about 30 seconds, but the robots will turn themselves off and they will be ready to go for you the next time you're ready to use them.